Benvenuto! Welcome to the first episode of Essential Sardinian, the first Sardinian course from a non-speaker to non-speakers. The first lesson is going to be the word ayo, which literally means let's go. So let's go. Just like in Chinese language and Thai language, ayo, it's all about intonation. So if you use a different intonation, you will have a different meaning. For examples, let's go. This is the actual meaning of the word ayo. So, to have this meaning, you would have to use the word ayo with this intonation. Ayo! Now repeat after me. Ayo! Perfect. Another meaning of the word ayo is come on. For example, if someone is keeping you waiting and you are quite irritated, you can softly say to yourself, ayo! Now repeat after me. Ayo! Perfect. Let's move on to the third meaning. It's your turn. For example, if you're playing Monopoly and your adversary is taking too bloody long to throw the dice, then you can say, ayo! Now repeat after me. Ayo! Perfect. Next one is go on. For example, if someone is on a diet but really wants that piece of cake, and you, being the little devil you are trying to tempt this person into eating it, you can say, ayo, just this once. Now repeat after me. Ayo. Perfect. Let's now move on to you're taking too long. For example, if you're in a car and the lady or gentleman or whatever in between in front of you in their car is waiting at a green light and you can get quite irritated about it, you can say, ayo! Now repeat after me. Ayo! Perfect. Let's now move on to the last meaning. Stop being silly. This is commonly used with the name of the person you're talking to in front of it. For example, if someone is really angry at me because I said something really silly, then they're gonna say, Fatima, ayo! Now repeat after me. Fatima, ayo! Perfect. Just like in English, we can add some particles to ayo to give it a different meaning. It's just like when we add the word up to the word step. Different meaning. So now we're gonna do the same with ayo. Ayo plus acabada, which is a verb, so it's not really a particle. It doesn't matter now. Acabada, which means stop. Ayo plus acabada means stop bothering me. For example, if I'm really bothering someone and then getting quite agitated about it, they will say, ayo, acabada! Now repeat after me. Ayo, acabada! Perfect! This marks the end of the first episode of Essential Sardinian, a course in Sardinian from a non-speaker to non-speakers. I hope you enjoyed it, and please, if you have some comments, leave them down below. If you would like to subscribe, please do. If you would like to like this video, please do. And if you would like to share it with your friends, please do. I'll see you next time. I'll see biri. No, I don't want it. I don't want it. I don't want it. Go away. I don't want it.